Hello everyone. If you are tired that your computer is running slow and you have done so many things every time you reinstall Windows and after some days your computer becomes slow, laggy, create a lot of PC problems in your Windows 10, Windows 11 or any other version of Windows. I'll tell you only one simple yet very effective, a world known software which will make your computer always in a better state, just like in a brand new condition. So open your browser and open Amazon.com, and from here you can get Norton Utilities Ultimate. I know it's a paid version, it's a paid software, but if you're really serious about your work and if computer is very important for you for your work and everything, and you do not want to take any chances, then I would recommend to buy Norton Utilities Ultimate. It cleans, speed up your PC, all-in-one PC cleanup, application accelerator, drive scrubber, search and recover. Let's say if you have accidentally deleted something, then you can search and recover. And CPU optimizer, if your computer has a higher CPU usage, then this Norton Utilities Ultimate will bring it down. People who do not want to use a paid software, what they can do is they can download CCleaner. So you can type CCleaner download and visit ccleaner.com only. So here you can visit download CCleaner. Please make sure you do not visit any of the website, and while installing CCleaner, please make sure that you do not install any extra added software which usually these people give. So you can install a free software. The only thing you need to be concerned that while downloading and installing, there will be an option to install a browser or a extra software, and you don't need to accept that and only install the CCleaner. I hope you have enjoyed this very short video. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.